Hey, how you doing? It's Gio Gianta here, and today is August 19th, 2018. This is video 13 of the Facebook page engagement challenge. I just wanted to go over the results that I'm having from the post that I showed. So I'm sharing results every single day of my Facebook page engagement, and I'm going to let you guys know as it grows. You're going to see the post grow. So sometimes when I'm recording these videos, sometimes the engagement is not always done, and sometimes it lasts for days. And the engagement keeps going up. But I mean, as you can see for this particular post, I have 120 likes, loves, and laughs, and I have 22 comments and 11 shares, and that's for this particular post. And as you can see, here's one that I did this morning. And it has 14 comments, 4 shares, and it has 41, 42, 43 likes and loves. So this one is fairly fresh, and I think this one will get more, but it already has 14 comments and 4 shares. So that's very, very good when people share your stuff. It's getting more engagement on other people's pages. And then I posted this thing. I thought it was kind of funny, but it was my feeling, because somebody was trying to pitch a business opportunity to me, trying to get me to join. They weren't building up any type of relationship. They weren't getting to know me and getting to even know if I had a need for what they had to offer. So I pretty much told them, like, look, if you're trying to actually, make sales and actually help somebody and come from a place of positivity, you need to be asking somebody. You need to be genuine when you ask them if they have an issue in their life, and you need to really find out if they have a problem that you could solve before you even try to offer their opportunity. Now, I was getting a particular person that is all they did was pretty much try to sell me stuff, and they didn't even build a relationship, and they've only been in marketing for 6 months, and you could tell because they had no type of engagement. Nobody really cared what they said. Nobody really cared about them, in general online. And it's all they were doing was throwing their links around. And when you simply throw your links around and you don't provide any value, you don't provide, any face, people don't know who you are. People don't care who you are unless you show them that you can provide value. People don't care about your company or your product or whatever you have to sell. So you have to provide value. And this particular person that was contacting me in my inbox did not provide any value. And the first thing that they did was get on the post and say, "Okay, we set up a meeting." And they didn't even talk to me. And then they said, "Could we set up a meeting? I want to set up a meeting. I want to talk to you. I have something to show you. I have something to show you." They kept putting that on the post, on multiple, posts of mine. And then I kind of ignored it, because I already knew he was trying to sell me on something, and I'm not really keen on just, I don't join anybody. I don't work with just anybody, and I work with people who I know that are better than I am, that could get me to the next level in my business that I want to get at. I don't work with people that don't provide any value for me, that don't give me nothing to actually help me to progress in my business and in my life. I want the people around me that are going to help me get to the top, help me get to where I want to get to, so that way I could help more people, I could influence more people, I could affect more people with the knowledge that I have. So after I didn't respond to this particular person, is what they did was they came in my inbox and they started showing me this opportunity and giving me their links. And if you've seen that I didn't respond to you once before, why would you go in my inbox and try to tell me about opportunity again? You know what I'm saying? And that's not the right way to market to somebody. That's not the right way to present yourself. If you have a real solution, you need to present them with, how you can help them and why that would be beneficial to them. You want to show them that you could get them from point A to point B. And you want to be that leader. You want to be that leader that they don't have. A lot of people don't have the right type of leadership. People don't have the right type of people that could actually help them or that actually care. You know, it's hard to find people that really care in the marketing industry, that care enough to actually help you and actually, you know, give you a direction. Because it's not that a lot of marketers are rude or whatever, but a lot of marketers, they have their own personal stuff going on, you know, and you can't help every single person, you know. So the best you could do is teach certain people, but you want to show people that you're there for them no matter what. So it's very important to if you're building a team, to provide value. And that's the key that I'm gonna let with this video is, if you're building a network marketing company, if you're in an MLM, you want to provide value, and you want to show the person that you're going to be a good leader to them. You want to show them that you're there for them no matter what, and that you're going to help them do this process. If they're new, they're going to learn from you. They're going to be there, and you're going to provide value for them, value that they've never had from anybody. You want to be the best leader, and the leader that they've never had before, you know, and that's how you would want to learn. And then, so I made this post. I told the guy exactly how he wasn't providing value. And then here's my last post. I posted this about an hour ago. It has 1 share and 2 comments, and it has 12, 13, 14 likes and loves. And I expect this post to really, really grow, you know, because I put out a post, and I put out my reality of why I actually joined the marketing industry. Why I joined network marketing was actually because of my environment. I was in an abusive household with my mother. You know, both my parents are alcoholics. My mother was on drugs. You know, and I just didn't really have a great upbringing, and I didn't have anybody that was on the path of success in my family. I was really the first person to go to college, you know, out of my whole entire family, immediate family. I was the first person, you know. So it's really amazing to me the type of people that I meet in the marketing industry. So if you're looking to actually, you know, build a relationship with people, if you're looking to actually meet people and learn from people and develop a genuine type of friendship, I mean, network marketing is the industry for you. Now, if you're looking to make more sales and just learn traffic methods and learn how to sell and just provide people with the products, that's more on the e-com side. And if you're looking to be more of a teacher, and do more of the teaching, and, you know, do more of your own branding, affiliate marketing would be a better model for you. But I tend to go with the type of person's, you know, personality, and it all depends on, you know, what you want to do to make money online. And we use these Facebook strategies in order to grow our Facebook engagement and grow our Facebook following. So if you click on the link below this video, you're going to learn exactly how I've learned to get this much engagement on my posts. You're going to learn what I do to actually, you know, get people involved who really care and who see my stuff and who engage with me. You're going to learn exactly how I do that when you click on the link below. If you got value from this video tonight, make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I appreciate you, and I'll talk to you soon.